70s. Southwinds. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma until 5:45 p.m. At 4:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles southeast of Abington, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Another strong and potentially severe storm is located 4 miles northeast of Abington. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Abington, Oscar, and Grady. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Now let's check